Day 2. We're finally leaving. It's like around 9 a.m. It was supposed to be super sunny, but whatever. It's okay. The lighting's at least good. So we're going to konbini, and then we're gonna head to Naka-Meguro because we're gonna go to the Starbucks Roastery and get a espresso martini. Maybe multiple, maybe a flight. We'll see what everyone's feeling for. But yes, excited. The weather's not too cold, so it's pretty nice. Oh shit, we're walking. Assume the position. We're trying the chicken tendy.
Cheers.
First time. Cheers.
This is the one.
This is the best.
This is the one.
Oh my god. The breading. The breading.
I'm getting this forever.
The breading is so good. It's so fire.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I think I like the family chicken.
But the breading is so much better on this
You
one.
like chicken breast more.
Yeah.
Yum.
Wait.
Yum.
This is the.
Wow.
No.
If the chicken thigh, family chicken is too fatty, try the chicken tender.
And if you want more crunch.
I'm gonna try it. Onigiri now. Pork.
Salmon.
Oh.
First time.
Wait, you didn't try it.
It is.
Yummy.
I'm gonna try that.
It's the pork onigiri.
That's my foot.
Whoa. It's like smoky.
No, those are smoky. Even the beef ones.
Wow. Yum.
You're gonna fall asleep
Yum.
in the car.
Good, huh? Drink time. The green tea, shochu. Cheers. Delicious. Well, bodyguard first. Or can you cheers it on this side? Salami, olives. Mmm, crispy.
Rice?
I didn't get spice.
Oh. Rice?
Mmm, delicious. Oh, there's the spice. I got it. Mmm.
It's like little cheese.
All right, this one is called Age of Exploration. I think this one has black pepper, right?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. I don't get the pepper though.
You get the
Maybe
pepper at the end.
Oh, I feel it.
Yeah. Well, it's my throat.
Maybe because I just had the pizza. It's kind of hard to like taste.
There's pepper in the
yeah,
pizza?
it's at the end.
Ooh, sweet.
It's different than the air.
Focaccia. Oh no, my olive. Focaccia.
Yeah.
Well, it's a
Focaccia,
martini, so cheers. Oh,
That's them.
is that garlic?
Yeah.
Really good. It
Anchovy.
does taste a little fishy.
How do you know?
But not like overwhelming.
Mm,
Okay. I'll try.
the carrillo.
Are you ready?
Alright.
Put you though.
Ooh,
That's good. It's like it tastes like a twisted tea, but
kind of like a amaretto, like with the fizziness. Cheers. Mmm. Whoa. I like the rosemary in that.
No potato.
How do I know if I got potato? I don't think I got it. Oh, I did. Potato.
That one's yum.
Mmm. Drink. So we're gonna try the orange. There's ooh, it's very sweet.
Like that one.
I wouldn't say it's my favorite. It's a little strong.
It is
I
very
think
strong.
I think they're all very sweet. Good thing we got a bunch of pizza because it's sugary.
The orange is really strong.
The core, maybe.
And the zest over all of it.
I kind of like that one now because this one's too sweet. The black
I was
pepper
just
is,
thinking about that.
yeah. Is there any more pizza to try? Margarita. Cheers. Wow. It's very cheesy. It's like, takes me back to Chuck E. Cheese days.
Yeah.
I don't think it's my favorite though. Classic. Cheers. Solid. I still think that they're really sweet. All of them. I do think that that's the best.
Yeah.
I don't mind the black pepper.
One.
Signature is the best. Second place, black
three,
pepper.
four.
The orange is a little much. It's already so sweet, and then they add orange to it. It's like it's overkill. It's a lot of bread. This one's my favorite. I really don't want to drink these two. All right, back to the black pepper.
You're having to sweat.
I cannot drink these. I'm gonna have my sakura. There's cream in the middle. Ooh. I don't know what it is, but it's really good.
That's sakura for you. That's
It's like white bean. Yeah, yummy. I like it. It may be a little too buttery for you.
I'm excited to try these.
Wow.
So I try to talk about, you know, like
butter every time.
That's my favorite thing.
yeah.
No cherry blossoms. So this is where they bloom. Straight. Wait. Don't get run over. There we go. Cheers. Naka-Meguro. Beautiful weather for Naka-Meguro. Sunny. A little too hot. Is it metal? Yeah. Checking we're in Daikanyama on a Sunday afternoon. Lots of dogs, which is really fun to see. I think everyone's just trying to enjoy the last bit of sun before 3 or 4 rainy days. So lots of golf stores, which my friends are really enjoying. So taking it easy and just enjoying the weather for now, and just keeping an eye out for any cool spots to shop at. But I think I'm getting hungry. Could use a bite to eat, so we'll see where we head off to later. But my feet are killing me. I have these insoles and they're not really working out well, so need to take them out, but we continue on. What's this? Rating. Give me your rating.
This one,
It's because you're flame.
6
Your
out of
flame
10.
wasn't.
I was being gaslit the whole time. You're like, it's.
What did you think, Roderick?
9 out of 10. 8.5.
Okay.
6.
I think it was you.
It was a flame.
Your flame. It's because you didn't have heat. I think it was the 7. 7 for me.
La Boo Boo.
La Boo Boo!
It's La Boo Boo.
So tell us why we have this camera.
To capture our memories.
We're gonna try to develop these before the trip is over.